At-home GRE exam was created in response to the coronavirus pandemic. The at-home GRE test allows applicants to take the GRE from the comfort of their homes, without going to the test center. It allows many more applicants access to GRE testing around the world, because not all applicants lived near testing centers. But it means that more test takers will be taking the GRE exam in the future, which will lead to more competition among GRE test takers for those good GRE scores. And that means you need to study harder for the GRE exam to get better scores, to stand out in college or university application. I always suggest taking GRE prep course first. You can see GRE test resources and links in the description of this video below. But GRE popularity is also growing because more colleges and programs are beginning to accept it. The good news about GRE at-home test is its ability to take it anytime, at night or during the day. This is breakthrough in terms of accessibility to GRE testing. At-home GRE test is the same as the GRE administered at the test center. All you need is a good and stable internet connection. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.